This is the equation of a circle problem from our review. Number 7, we're told that a circle has this equation, x squared plus 8x plus y squared plus 2y minus 10 equals 0. We're supposed to complete the square to determine the center and radius of the circle. Now, let's start off by making sure we remember that for a circle, our general formula is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, and when that's the case, the center is at hk, and the radius equals r. So we need to make this formula look like this one. So we're going to start off with x squared plus 8x, and we're going to add and subtract the same number, and we have to figure out what that number is going to be. And we take half of this term squared. So we take half of 8 squared. We're like, oh, okay, half of 8 is 4. 4 squared is 16. We add 16, but we have to balance that out so we don't change things by also subtracting 16. Now we do that with y squared. Y squared plus 2y plus a number minus a number. I'm going to get these notes out of our way because we're going to run out of space. There we go. And when we do this, we look at 2, and half of 2 squared is 1. 1 squared is 1. We add 1, we subtract 1. And then we still have this minus 10, so we write that minus 10 right there equals 0. Now to keep track of what we're doing, I'm going to just use a highlighter. This first part is a perfect square, and so is this part right here. So we're going to write those parts, factoring them. They were made so that they would be perfect squares, so this one is x plus 4 squared, and the second one is y plus 1 squared. And now I take these other numbers and combine them. So negative 16, negative 1, and negative 10 all equals negative 27. So now I have x plus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 27. And that looks just like this. And now I can say, okay, the center is at negative 4, negative 1, and my radius is the square root of 27. And then knowing that 27 is 9 times 3 and 9 is a perfect square, I know that I can also write it as 3 root 3, because the square root of 9 is 3, the other 3 stays inside.